What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got the gorgeous looking MG ZS Hybrid Plus that we have right down here. If that's not clear enough, maybe you can read that. Absolutely amazing, guys. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing the car looks before we get right into the interior. But British Dynamics, of course, amazing. Check out the rear of this car, man. Love the tail lights that are happening right there also as well. Love the MG chrome finish of a badge for the rear. Finishing looks superb. The wheels look nice. Now this is a hybrid car, so of course you got petrol. Is your main thing that they're using for a car like this, guys. So let us first start off with the front. So right here with me, you got your DRLs that are popping up right there. Your main headlight should be on the way in. Love the finishing, rough texture-like finish over here. You got your amazing grille that is in this honeycomb-like design with this chrome finishing all over the place. You got your number plate that goes right there. You got some other stuff opening up down here as well. Your radiator is exposed, similar towards the top. Love the finishing like texture, guys. Absolutely amazing. Now there are some real holes right here for airflow. Looking good. Centerpiece right here in this sort of like different color. Very nice. I like it. For the top, you get the lines popping up the side right here, popping right down there. Cool. MG wording in this chrome finish also as well. Looking good. So for the wheels, you do have your GT tires is what they're using. Tire size is basically 215/50 R18. So two-tone finish of a wheel, black and silver. Solid disc brakes on that side. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Check out the side here. You get this satin finish. Beautiful touch. Love the finishing over here also as well. The gloss black finishing with the matte finish like of a texture for the side mirror. Open up the doors and take a look, guys. You do get your welcome light MG lighting. Superb. MG wording right there for the side plate as well. Handle right there also as well. Damn cool. So let's hop right in. Check out the seats, man. Seats are black. Seat belt is black also as well. Love the interior finish. Of course, there's a handle to hold or maybe perhaps keep some stuff to prevent anything from falling off while you're driving. Glove compartment over there. Love the gear. Looks super damn cool. We'll be sitting there shortly. Nevertheless, looks good, feels good. So let's get right down. Check out the back. And this part is absolutely spacious, man, dude. Glass roof right on top. You got legroom, is fantastic. Aircon goes right there. USB-A charging socket. Seat belts are also in black. Check out the back part right here. Fantastic. So let's hop right into the center and show it to you guys. Headroom. Looking good. Let's go right down. MG even for the rear side plate. Damn cool, man, damn cool. So for the back part, of course, you do get the same tires. I believe the tire size is the same, 215/50 R18. Check out the rear. ZS Hybrid Plus. Let's open this up. Take a look at this, guys. Compartment storage right down here. Of course, the trickle charger is currently charging the battery because this is a show unit, right? The battery needs to be alive, otherwise the lights cannot be turned on. But nevertheless, let's leave it open. Gorgeous looking car, guys. Now let's hop right in to the driver's side and show you guys how amazing it looks. Once again, I love the welcome light that's happening right down there. Window adjustments here and there. MG wording right down there. Fantastic layout, guys. So this is a beautiful finish of a steering wheel, guys. Love the flat bottom steering. Of course, the lighting, someone turned it on, so that's why the beeping sound is there. But nevertheless, we can turn it off for a while more. Just show it to you guys. The gear is right here as well. Leg on the brake, start button and whatnot. You can actually choose to adjust it. Love the finishing texture like of the screen as well. Love it, man, dude. Absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. So once again, headroom is good, legroom is good, glass roof you can pop up from here also as well, or here also as well. Very nice, man, dude. Fantastic. Love it. Cool. So if you'd like to find out more, guys, about MG cars, do check out the description below and get in touch with the salesman. They'll be more than happy to assist you guys. The contact number below, just reach out to them and perhaps get your very brand new MG ZS Hybrid Plus back home. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.